Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have an exercise on paper. So for y, that we have 2 power h equal for y and 4 power h is equal 32y. Do you know how to solve this? If you know, please do it. When you do it already, please come back to watch my video from begin to the end to verify your solution. And before we go to the solution, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting video. Okay, now don't spend my time. We go to the solution together. Then we have this half 4 power h equals 32y. So I can write 2 power h all squares is equals 32y. And now this 2 power h are replaced by 4y. And I get 4y all squares is equals 32y. And now I get this equal 16y squared and minus 32y is equal 0. And I take 60y is our factors, so I get y and minus 2 is equal 0. And now this we get 16y is equal 0 and we get y is equal 0 and y minus 2 is equal 0 and we get y is equal 2. But we know that this 2 power h is equal for y and it's positive. So this 2 power h is not equal 0. So for y is not equal 0. So y is not equal 0. So this not take. And this y is equal to. So if y is equal to, we get this 2 power h is equal 4 multiply 2 and equal 8 and equal to power 3. So 2 power h is equal to power 3 and we get h is equal 3. So now we get the values of h and the value of y. So there's h equals 3 and y is equal 2 are our solution. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting video. Goodbye.